Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and in this video I will be showing you how you can recreate a 3D model a 3D mock-up of this nail polish packaging template. As you can see that I have already created this packaging template, and just in case if you have missed out on making this template, I have already covered it in my previous section called packaging design, and I've shown by step on how you can create this template. So once that's done, then you can go ahead and also make a 3D mockup of this template as well. So it's super easy to do, and I'll show you how that's done. So as you can see here in the template, this first one right here which says cuticles right here, this is going to be the front side of my document, and these two are the sides, and this is going to be the back side of my template. So what I'm going to do now is that I will be copying the front side of my document on the side. So in order to do that, I'll be zooming in first. So I'll get a hold of these, and probably I'm just gonna get a hold of this because it's the same thing, but only difference is that it's the back side, but the graphic is the same. So I'm just going to click on Alt to make a copy and get it right over here. So another thing that I just want to add right here that I haven't really added in my template is the net weight of the nail polish bottle. So I'm just going to give a random number to this. It doesn't have to be precise. So I'll just type out the word net weight, let's say 20 ml, and I'm just going to increase the font size a little to 24, probably like that, and probably just going to bring it right here. I'm gonna make another copy right here, and right over here in the text I'm gonna write 100% organic. Okay, so I'm gonna choose these two and also change the font style. I'm gonna change the font style to Gabriola like that, and that's done. Okay, since we are done, I'm just gonna increase, or probably just going to increase the size a little bit more, to 36. That looks great. So I'm gonna select all of this, right click on this, and I'm going to click on group like that, and probably I'm going to select, I'm just going to make some minor changes on this. So I'm just going to make this come right here like that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select all of these items. The background, the image, this image, and this. I'm gonna zoom out, click on Alt to make a copy and bring it right over here as well. I'm gonna select everything, right click on this, and also make it into a group. So once that happens, I'm gonna add them in the symbols panel right here. So just in case if you cannot see the symbols panel, you can open up your own symbols panel from this Windows drop down box below, and you will see the symbols options right here. Okay, so I'll open this. Wait, so I'm gonna drag them down for now. Yeah, I'm gonna select this and add the symbol right here, and in the symbol name I'm just gonna type out side view and click on OK. I'm gonna drag this one as well and type this to be front side symbol and click on OK as well. So now that we've got these, I can go ahead and delete these two. I'm gonna select just the background, click on Alt to get a copy right here, and then I'm going to make this shape into a 3D form. So in order to do that, I'll be going to Effect, 3D and clicking on Extrude and Bevel. So as you can see in this position, I can see this cube, right? So I can just change the view of this cube a little bit and see how I want my cube to look like this. And extrude depth, I'm going to give a depth of 550 points and click on preview to have a look. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and also get rid of the stroke, and I'm just going to go back and apply the extrude and bevel again, like that. Click on preview, and I'm just going to extend the extrude and depth to 550 points and then see. Yep, that looks about it. And I'm going to go back to my map art right here, and right now you can see like the surface one document you see is the same one right here which has this red highlighted. So I'm going to go ahead and add my front view of my nail paint. No wait, it's sorry, I just selected the wrong one. Front symbol, and if I click on preview, you can see that my the symbol that I had saved, that gets selected, that gets printed onto my first side like that. And I'm gonna change my side to this one, and over here I'm going to add my side view like that. As you can see, that doesn't really fit properly according to my document. So I'm just going to rotate this like this so that it fits my document like that. And there you go. As you can see over here in this preview also, it fits properly. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK as well. And I'm going to click on OK like that. So I'm going to select this. I'll go to Object and click on Expand Appearance. Once I've done that, I can right click on this, go and click on Ungroup. I'm going to ungroup this again so that now I can just individually select this upper portion right there. And I'm also going to fill it with white, and I'm going to change the stroke to black as well. And there you go. So once that's done, I can go ahead, select my document, select the template, and I'm going to delete these because I had already saved my nail polish packaging template in an AI file as a backup. So I'm just going to select this and click on Shift and Alt to resize this smaller and bring it right here onto my document like this. And then I can just rotate this. I'm going to select everything and just rotate this a little bit like that. And I'm also going to add a drop shadow behind this to give it a more 3D effect. So I'm going to go to Effect and click on Stylize, and I'm going to click on Drop Shadow. So I'm going to decrease the opacity from 75% to 55% over here. and I'm gonna let everything else be the way it is, and I'm gonna click on OK. And there you go. As you can see that now a drop shadow has been added on all the edges, and it gives a much more 3D effect to this mockup as well. So now I can go ahead and also save this file. In order to do that, I'll be going to File and clicking on Save As. So by default, my file name is going to be the same as my document name, but this is a 3D mockup. So I'm just going to add in the word 3D mockup of a nail polish packaging template. The save as type is going to be Adobe Illustrator. I highly recommend that we save a file in this format so that in case if I want to make any further changes, I can easily do that by accessing my AI file and clicking on Save and clicking on OK. So there you go. We have now successfully made and also saved our file in an AI format. So now that we have come to the end of our tutorial, I hope you found this video to be useful, and with a little practice you can make more such 3D mockups as well. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.